And if you're advanced, you can do it on a note. What you do for that is you put your tongue to the upper molar teeth like this, like that, and then you say a prolonged and then you close your nose with it, and then you go up and down with the palate, meaning Now I want nothing to happen here. It's just the palate, right? I don't want to hear there is something going on in your thyroid cartilage, in your throat. I don't want that. Just the palate.